Welcome to Taylor's Tales. Today, I'm going to share how I grow sweet potatoes on my balcony with these tough bags, as we don't have much land with the soil available to grow more sweet potatoes. Will it work? Let's find out. I bought these tough bags, a pack of 3, medium size, costing $12. I think they are just perfect. In fact, any bags of that size will do the same. I also collect some off-cut PVC pipes. I first drill some holes on the pipes, small holes at the bottom side and bigger holes on the upper side. The idea is to create a better way for water seeping through into the soil when watering. The soil comes from my compost. I have previously collected all the fallen leaves and piled them up, left them under the sun, let the bacteria and heat doing their job. Let's see the inside of it. Wow, it's full of black compost. They have rich nutrients for plants' needs. I think my sweet potatoes will love it. I block the bottom of the pipe and put it in the middle of the bag. Then fill it up with the compost. The compost inside the bag will continue its process of breaking down. I'm happy with it and hope my sweet potatoes will be happy with it too. The best way to grow sweet potatoes is to use their vines. I'm cutting them into sections. Each section contains 3 or 4 notes. Theoretically, 2 notes are enough. You bury 1 note in the soil to grow roots and leave 1 note out to grow leaves and vines. But I like to bury at least 2 notes in the soil and keep 1 or 2 notes out for growing leaves and vines. These will increase their chance to survive. These are the leaves I have cut off. I put them inside a pipe. When they break down, they can provide some nutrients to the new plants. Now I can start planting. I have planted 4 on the top, 1 in each direction, and plant the rest on the side of the bag below. This one is easy. Bury 2 notes in the soil and keep the top out. Same here, 2 notes in the soil and 2 notes out. Okay, this one is a bit tricky. Which side up? The sprouts go up and roots are going down. Okay, on the top I have planted 4. On the side, I just use my old kitchen knife, stab it and make a hole. Choose the correct side of the vine and insert 2 notes in. All done for this bag. Watering it is my next job, and we can watch them grow. This pipe in the middle is good for watering and future fertilizing if we need to. I started growing sweet potatoes since I was a teenager, but to grow sweet potatoes in a bag on the balcony is my first time experiment. Like any other agriculture at the beginning, no one can guarantee its success. The only choice I have is to grow more to see if I can achieve more harvest. This time, I'll use the compost, ash from barbecue, and a bit of organic fertilizer, and mix them up. The ashes are very rich in minerals, good for root growing plants. It's about 5% of the mixture. Now they mix up together. Okay. This is a dynamic lifter, organic fertilizer for gardening. Okay, it serves all purposes of plants and it helps the root growing. And I won't put too much. Okay, only this much is enough. Okay. This is a slow release fertilizer. If it's not enough in the future, I can always add it in. But for the start, only put a little bit. So mix them together. This is an off-cut PVC pipe. After drilling many holes for watering, I have put a lid at the bottom this time to prevent the water all coming out from the bottom when watering, so that the water can come out of the little holes slowly. Now I put it in the middle of the bag. We only grow these white skin, purple flesh sweet potatoes these days. If you have watched our previous video, will understand why. To obtain the plants, one easy way is that you go to the market and buy one of your favorite sweet potatoes and bury it in the moist soil. In spring, it will grow many vines. Cutting them off, you can use them to grow many sweet potatoes. In subtropical weather, our winters don't get very cold, and the sweet potatoes vines and leaves always remain green. So in late winter and early spring, when we harvest the sweet potatoes, we can keep some green vines, cut them up for planting in the new season. And of course, we've given them to many friends nearby in every spring. Now it's time to plant them in. Bury 2, sometimes 3 notes in the soil for growing their roots. Leave 1 or 2 notes out for growing their vines and leaves. Four on the top. For the side below, we leave some space for each plant to grow sweet potatoes. All done. Another 3 bags of sweet potatoes are planted. Leave your comment below if you have any thoughts or questions. Eight months later, this is how they look. Welcome back. This is the moment to find out whether my sweet potato growing experiment is successful or not. It's just 1 month before winter. Normally, we will let them grow for another 3 more months before harvesting. First, let me cut off all the vines. After cutting off all the vines, now you can see better. This is why I harvest them today, because the bags are starting to break apart. These so-called tough bags are not that tough. I think they are biodegradable. Okay, moment of truth. Am I successful or am I getting disappointed? Let's have a look. Oh, only so small. Another one, so small. Here's one, little bit bigger. How many big? Here's another one. Only the tiny ones. Yeah, it's a big one. Another one small. Here's another one. Pretty disappointed. Another big one. Here's a big one. I think growing sweet potatoes in bags on the balcony is achievable. We just need bags which last longer. That would make a game-changing difference. These are all the sweet potatoes from the bags. What do you think? Thank you for watching this video. To help our channel grow, please give a thumbs up and share it to others. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so to watch more quality videos. We thank you for your big support. God bless.